You know what, guys? I'm gonna give you a quick tour while I got everything open. So, walking stick, poles, tarp, and camping chair out there. This is a weatherproof storage box and a little hitch. And inside here, I've got dry goods, cooking equipment. I have a bucket in case I want to do dishes or maybe take a bath out of it. Okay, in here, I got an air mattress. There's some tools along the side there. Yeah, got a 0-degree sleeping bag, extra blanket, random extra pillow. I like the leather because it's kind of cool. And then I got a big thick memory foam pillow up there. And then inside here, I don't know if you can see right there, but I got these little string lights. And then over here, I got a USB powered fan. And then I can actually see out of the sunroof. And what I do is I actually put my phone up there and I just watch downloaded TV shows and movies and stuff. I got a little light over here. And then this is pulled out right now, but inside here, I've got cooking gear. So that's gonna be like my little camp stove. I've got a couple little pots and pans. It's like a little fold up backpacking deal. And then a bunch of just random tools. I got random lights, a lot of stuff from Harbor Freight because they got magnets and you can stick them on the side of the car while you're doing stuff. And then a bunch of instant coffee and things like that. This is a shower bag. So I take this if there's a bathroom nearby and wash up and change clothes and stuff like that. And then here's the cockpit. A lot going on in here, but there's a lot of stuff. Back behind here, these are really important. These are two things that unfold, and these two things flip out, and they go and cover my windshield. And I have little suction cups up here. I don't know if you can see. But anyway, it covers the whole windshield. And then these are mosquito nets, and what they do is they actually fit over the whole window, so you get some privacy, but then also there's a gap in between there, get a little fresh air. And then got a cooler, so that's going to be all my perishables. And then let's see what else we got inside here. Oh, got my clothes bag over here. And then of course, always got the handy dandy pistol, Swiss Army knife, got a bunch of multi-tools. Just got some random snacks up here. This is for notes as I'm traveling, things like that I need to remember. That's a little solar jump pack, and that's what I use to power the lights and the fan, which is really nice at night. And that's it. So yeah, and Yeti backpack for backpacking. So that is it, guys. That is the whole kit and caboodle for camping out of your car.